Hi, this is Pete at JDM Car and Motorcycle in Sequim, and today we got a 1996 Mazda Marvie 2.5 turbodiesel automatic SUV. And this has a brand new lift kit with brand new 31 all-terrain tires on it. She is ready to go. Got some nice fog lights. Automatic, high-low, 4x4, and then right across from her, we have our 1996 Mazda Marvie 2.5 turbodiesel 5-speed manual 2.5 turbodiesel. So they're basically same truck, automatic, manual, raised up, stock height, still big tires on both in great shape. Come down and pick your poison. Lift it and ready to go off-road, or regular height, still off-road, but 5-speed.